Hey guys, so today we'll be talking about how something becomes a planet. Yeah, let's get started. So basically, for something to become a planet, it requires three qualifications. It first needs to have cleared its area. It also has to have, it has to be round, and it has to also orbit a sun. All right, let's get started. So first, the planet has to be round. Basically, if the planet has to have enough gravity around itself to be a full circle. If the object that was going to be a planet was a square, it has to be able to clump itself and have enough gravity inside of itself to become a circle. In this case, this is not a planet because you can clearly see by its corners that it's not round. This, on the other hand, is does qualify because it is a round circle. Okay. Now, for the second qualification, you have to be orbiting a sun. Basically, let's call this our sun. If you qualify for the other two things, I mean qualifications, but don't even orbit a sun. Like in this case, this planet is orbiting a sun, so it's a planet. But this other planet here is just minding its own business, doing something, not orbiting the sun. And this is why the moon is not a planet. Like, it's not orbiting a sun, it's orbiting Earth in this case. Alright. So, two qualifications out of the three. Here's the third one. Basically, your planet has to have a clear area. Now, what I mean by this is that your planet has to have a clear atmosphere and enough space to have nothing on itself. For example, Mercury, it has a clear atmosphere with nothing going into it. If something were to go into it, it would have a hard time reaching and would just decompose or something. And basically, this means that everything inside this bubble should have nothing, and and you have to have this bubble, even if it's a really small one. It still counts. So, for example, let's take Pluto. Pluto, Pluto is not a planet, but yeah, it's a dwarf planet because it has a bunch of like things around it, like asteroids and stuff. However, Mercury is a planet due to sorry, Mercury is a planet due to it having a bunch of due to it having an atmosphere and no objects around itself. Anyway, that's all for this video. I hope you learned something today. Yeah, leave a like if you learned something. And if there's something that I didn't cover in this video that you probably know about, write it in the comments. That's all. Goodbye. See you later.